Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cute kitty cat headphones on Dress Room Press. It's basically inspired by the Razer Kitty one. Anyways, to make it, we're going to select these ears and we're going to color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to color this white and pink here. And then I'm going to select the headphones, of course. And I'm going to color that in white and pink as well. And then for the microphone part, we are going to use this one, and I'm going to color that in white. Okay, I can't make it matte. Oh, never mind, I can. But I'm just going to color it in white, and that is it. Super, super cute. For gaming themes, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.